Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your account name in Rockstar Games. Well, today I'll be showing you how to change your account name in Rockstar Games. If you're having a problem that you don't like your name or your account name in Rockstar Games, as you can see, mine is Glenn Poggi. You're in luck. I'll show you how to change that. So the first thing you need to do, click on Manage Account right here when you open up your Rockstar Games. And after that, your browser will pop up right here. Once it's here, when you're at your settings, my account, click on the nickname. Then click edit and then add a nickname. So let's change our nickname into KD. Oh, it's not working. Maybe KD12345. Go. And then we will add our password and then save change. And there you go. It's giving you a confirmation in nickname change. You may only change your nickname once every 365 days. Would you still make this change? Then click on confirm. So the nickname has already been taken. So we need to think of another nickname. So let's try AD2130 and 2004. Then save the change, right? Then confirm. And there you go. As you can see, my nickname has now been changed to KD130204. So let's check here. It's still Client Poji, but then when we start the browser and check still Client Pogi, just keep on restarting until you see your nickname change. So restarting, try to exit that and let's open it again. Manage account. See if the nickname changes and check on it. Alright, as you can see right now, it hasn't yet appeared, but I already changed it. Just maybe just wait a couple of hours, like 3 to 2 hours or 4 hours. Maybe it hasn't been applied. But yeah, that's how you change your name in Rockstar Games. So I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.